Hey kids, let's learn the letter A with awesome animal sounds.
One letter, 12 animals, 12 wild sounds. Let's go!
A is for alligator. Alligator goes snap, snap, snap.
Snap, snap, snap.
A is for antelope. Antelope goes gruff, 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 gruff.
Ruff, ruff, ruff.
A is for I goes tap, tap, tap.
Tap, tap, tap.
A is for armadillo. Armadillo goes roll, roll, roll.
Roll, roll, roll. Snap, ruff, tap, roll. Letter A is here to stay.
Snap, gruff, tap, roll.
We love A, hip, hip, hooray.
A is for alpaca. Alpaca goes hum, hum, hum.
Hum, hum, hum.
A is for anaconda. Anaconda goes hiss, hiss, hiss.
Hiss, hiss, hiss.
A is for arapaima. Arapaima goes blub, blub, blub.
Blub, blub, blub.
A is for African wild dog. Wild dog goes yip, 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 yip.
Yip, yip, yip. Hum, hiss, blub, yip. Letter A is here to stay.
Hum, hiss, blub, yip.
We love A, hip, hip, hooray.
A is for Asian elephant. Elephant goes trumpet, 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 trumpet.
Trumpet, trumpet, trumpet.
A is for aardvark. Aardvark goes snort, snort, snort.
Snort, snort, snort.
A is for auk, auk, auk goes auk, auk, auk.
Awk, awk, awk.
A is for axolotl. Axolotl goes glub, glub, glub.
Glub, glub, glub. From his snort, awk, glub. Letter A is here to stay.
Trumpet, snort, auk, glub.
We love A, hip, hip, hooray. All these animals starting with A. How cool was that today? Let's do another letter soon. We can't wait to play.
Subscribe.